Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this YouTube channel, I'm trying to teach you the most useful but simplest tricks in different softwares like the softwares of Microsoft Office, such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Microsoft Project, and so on, and the other softwares like Photoshop and some other practical softwares that you should know if you want to work in an office or you want to work as a freelancer for yourself or any other kind of computer jobs. You need to know many of those tricks. In this video, I'm trying to teach you one of the most practical options in Excel, that is sort and filter. Let's work on the file and show you what I mean. This is the data I want to work on. These are some material proportions to produce different mixtures. You can see that different values are available here. Some of them are not numeric and they are not available values. The mixture numbers are not sorted like from 1 to the end, and you need to sort some values, or you need to find specific values within your table. So in the best way, you can choose a cell in the top row that is actually the title of the table, and choose this item from Home tab, Editing section, Sort and Filter, and Filter. You can see that some options are added to the same cell and the other cells in that table that I clicked on. And by opening that menu, you have some options like sort smallest to largest. You can see that the smallest value is now here and the largest value is at the end, like this. And these are the items that are not numeric actually. And you can also do it in a reverse manner. You can sort by color. First, these green colors. These colors can be applied by your own for your reference. Sometimes you need to highlight a cell to find it later easier. Or this can be also done by conditional formatting, and you can find the video for describing conditional formatting in this YouTube channel. In other video I previously recorded for you. And you can filter data regarding the color they have. For example, you can filter only the blue colored cells like this. You can only separate the green ones, or the other cases that you may have in your table easily. And when you want to remove filter, you can easily choose this option, clear filter from this column. And you can also filter value depending on the content of the cells. You can find the values that are equal to a specific value you define, or not equal to the value you will define, or greater than, let's do one of them, is greater than, for example, 1285. You can also add other criteria like using add and or with other cases, equal or greater than or less than or greater than equal, and some other cases you can find here. By applying this, you can see that only the items that are greater than the value we specified are filtered here. By clearing the format and checking the menu here, you can understand that the similar options that were available in conditional formatting are also here, and without changing the format, you can separate them and only show the values that are valid in this criteria. You can only show them. You can separate top 25%, for example. These are the top 25% of the value, and the other columns are also the value of the other columns will also be sorted by this column. Now you can also sort the table using other column like this, but don't forget, if you want to do this, you have a filter on this column. If you want to separately do another filter other than the filter I did, you should clear the filter first. Don't forget to clear the filter. And you can also search a value, or you can find them here In some cases, if you have text values and these are repeated, it's very practical to separately choose the text you want to be filtered. For example, let's write something here. For example, Jim, uh, Jack, Joe, Tim, Ben, and I will copy some of them and then totally remove the filter and again add a title and apply filter for the table again. In this case, if you see here, you can understand that all the names in this column are available here, and you can deselect all and then choose each one you want to show. The items regarding to Jim, or Jim and Jack, or suppose Jack and Joe. You can see the only rows for Jack and Joe are visible here. It's very useful if you want to work on the data related to the employee of a company, that you can find the values related to any person, any employee of the company. So this is very useful item. You can also sort the mixtures, but you should pay attention to the numbers here. These are not actually three numbers in the numeric part. If it was like this, like these values, the sorting was different in this case. You can see here now it's better, but you should change all the mixtures with 1 or 2 digits to have a real sorting for these data. To do this, you should take care of naming the values. You should know which method for naming is used, and if you did it before, you may know this, but if you didn't do this yourself, you may be confused in the file. So I edited some of them, and you can see that it's better sorted now. Okay, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and you can use it in your work, in your studies, or in your research or anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow the other videos in this page. See you. Bye.